In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a coupon code in System.io. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rianna and I help small business owners just like you to save time and attract more clients and grow their business with ease by setting up simple systems like System.io. If that's something you're interested in to learn more about, hit subscribe so you're not missing out on my upcoming tutorials. Okay, let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is go to your order form that you've created. So in this case, this can be a landing page, an ebook or a course that you're selling. And then all the way at the bottom, there's your order form. Now, as you can see now, there is no space for people to leave a coupon code somewhere. So we're going to talk about that in a bit. So the first thing we're going to do here is you go to your order form. We're going to scroll down. And then we're going to have a look, because what you've set up already probably is a digital product. I'm not going to go too deep into that now, and an order bump. And what we're going to do today is create this coupon code. So we're going to click on the plus, and this is where it often go wrong. I still select sometimes here, and I'm like, oh no, I need to create a new one. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on create a new one. And then we're going to give it a name. And we want to create a coupon code, in this case VIP25. And then you have two options to choose from. A fixed amount, like $25 off, for example, or a percentage discount. So 25% off. In this case, I'm going to do 25% off. So the discount amount is 25. And so if I would have chosen a fixed amount, it would have been $25 off. But now it's the percentage. Then you can add an expiration date, which is great if you have a launch, for example, or you only want to have it valid for a week, and you can add how many tickets are available. If you don't fill in anything, it's unlimited, but you could say like only 10 tickets, for example. Okay, then we click on save. And now it looks like, okay, we're done. We have the coupon code created, and this is where it often goes wrong. Because, like I showed you before, there is nothing on the order form that they can fill in. As you can see here on the page that we were on, let's go to the order form. There's nothing here, right? So we want to add that, and that is very simple. So we're going to go back to our order form. I'm going to click on edit page. And we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And then here we want to add a coupon code. So in the left side menu, you're going to find the button coupon, and we're going to add that to it. And this you can completely edit. So you can change the colors, you can change the line, the text in the box. So for example here, let's say we call it discount code. So you can completely make this into your branding, and then we're going to click on save. And now if we're going to go to the page and we're going to go to the order form, you see there is an option now to leave it. So let's test it. And let's see, it's $47 now. We apply it and look at that. It's beautifully written, 25% off. And so the total price is $35, and now they can click on purchasing their order. And so I want to give you another example that I've created, and that is for this page. 9 legal documents every pediatric sleep consultant needs. And so I've written all these documents for my niche audience, but there's one of the documents, the client agreement document, and this one I have also for sale separately. So if people have bought that one already, I don't want them to pay the full price again for something that they've already purchased. That's not in integrity with my business. So what I've created here is, if we scroll down, a coupon code that says, and I always like to make it as specific as possible for myself so I can remember that. The coupon code is upgrade 17. And what happens is if they fill that in, they get $17 off. So let's see what that looks like. Because they paid already for that template. And so then there's $30 left and they can place their order. All right. So this is one of the options. Now, another thing that I would like to share with you that is also a very good move is, so we take this coupon code, upgrade 17, and then you go to a thank you page So let's say they buy the legal or the client contract template, and then on the thank you page, what I'm doing is adding that code there. And I say, once they've bought the client contract template, if you want to have the full 9 legal document pack, and I add that to the button, click here on the button, and then I add in the text or there above, like, upgrade 17 is the code to get $17 off, something like that. Now I have a call to action to Instagram because that is one of my goals this month, but usually the call to action is to another product, something else that I'm selling, that keeps them busy in the loop in my shop and with all the stuff that I've created that's really going to help them save time and save money. So that is how you create a coupon code and how you can use it. If that was helpful, please give a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And watch the next video. So there is so many cool things about System.io that I still want to share with you. And I hope to see you in the next one.